The fill brush in 3D Coat's voxel sculpting toolset is very simple and quite descriptive. It's going to fill crevices and indentations in the surface wherever you brush. And you might find that it works a bit better than the fill brush in surface mode. And that's because you're working with digital clay. Let's say, for example, if I were to use the cutoff tool, maybe cut a certain section. This might not be so easy to do if you are using the fill brush in surface mode. So let me go to the fill brush here and maybe in absolute draw mode. What I like about it is you can start at a corner like this and just continue building and building and building. If you need to increase the intensity, you want to right click and drag up. The fill brush is one that you probably want to exaggerate quite a bit when you have large surfaces like this to fill in. Let's right click and drag up to exaggerate even more. So yeah, you can use this to fix a really problematic area. Where this is most effective is when you're working with a mannequin from the splash screen. Oftentimes after you've posed a mannequin, you'll need to use the fill brush to fill in the gaps. So that's a quick look at the fill brush in 3D Coat's voxel mode. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.